Don't download FundSeeder app before watching this. FundSeeder is marketed as an easy way to manage and track investments, but before you hit download, there are several important things to consider. Most people get this wrong by assuming the app is suitable for all investors, but here's why that isn't the case. First, FundSeeder is primarily a tracking and analysis tool. It's great for portfolio monitoring, but it doesn't facilitate actual trades or provide direct investment opportunities. You won't believe how many users download it expecting brokerage functions, only to find they still need a separate platform to execute trades. Next, the app relies heavily on manual input. While it can sync with some brokerages, many investments require manual updates to stay accurate. This is important if you manage multiple accounts or complex portfolios, because it increases the chance of errors. The app's reporting features are decent but can feel limited. FundSeeder focuses on basic performance metrics and risk indicators. The surprising truth is that advanced investors seeking detailed analytics such as Monte Carlo simulations or sector-level analysis will find the app lacking. Another key consideration is pricing. FundSeeder offers a free version, but essential features are locked behind a subscription. Some users report that the paid version is not necessarily more robust than free alternatives like Personal Capital or Mint, so you should weigh the cost against the value it delivers. Despite these limitations, FundSeeder can be useful for beginners who want to get a sense of their portfolio's performance without complex features. It's simple, clean, and easy to navigate, but it's not a full-service investment solution. In conclusion, don't download FundSeeder expecting a one-stop investment platform. If your goal is tracking and basic analysis, it can be helpful, but serious investors may want more comprehensive tools. Weigh alternatives and understand exactly what you need before committing to avoid disappointment.